12 Signs of Low Testosterone. Some of the symptoms anemia can cause include problems concentrating, dizziness, leg cramping, problems sleeping, and an abnormally rapid heart rate. Because the body requires testosterone to develop the penis and testicles, low levels could contribute to a disproportionately smaller penis or testicles compared to a man with normal testosterone levels. Both testosterone levels and cognitive functions, particularly memory, decline with age. As a result, doctors have theorized that lower testosterone levels could contribute to affected memory. Men with low testosterone can experience changes in mood. Because testosterone influences many physical processes in the body, it can also influence mood and mental capacity. Testosterone helps produce and strengthen bone, so men with low testosterone, especially older men, have lower bone volume and are more susceptible to bone fractures. Men with low testosterone may also experience increases in body fat. In particular, they sometimes develop gynecomastia, or enlarged breast tissue. This effect is believed to occur due to an imbalance between testosterone and estrogen within men. Because testosterone plays a role in building muscle, men with low testosterone might notice a decrease in muscle mass. You might have low T if you're tired all of the time despite getting plenty of sleep, or if you're finding it harder to get motivated to exercise. Balding is a natural part of aging for many men. While there is an inherited component to balding, men with low T may experience a loss of body and facial hair as well. Testosterone plays a role in the production of semen, which is the milky fluid that aids in the motility of sperm. Men with low testosterone will often notice a decrease in the volume of their semen during ejaculation. While testosterone stimulates a man's sex drive, it also aids in achieving and maintaining an erection. Testosterone alone doesn't cause an erection, but it stimulates receptors in the brain to produce nitric oxide. Testosterone plays a key role in libido in men. Some men may experience a decline in sex drive as they age. However, someone with low testosterone will likely experience a more drastic drop in their desire to have sex. Follow and subscribe us for more video.